In a cozy corner of the garden lived Sammy, a tiny snail with a big heart. Sammy was known by all the garden creatures for his warm smile and friendly nature. He had a beautiful shell that he was very proud of. It was shiny and colourful, with swirls of pink, blue and green. One sunny morning, as Sammy was slowly making his way across a big leaf, he heard a loud crack.
You have just watched a video clip of an animation created using AI technology. By watching this entire video, you will learn how to create scenes similar to the ones you just watched at the beginning of this video. In this video, I will guide you through each step of applying AI tools to be able to create animated cartoon scenes similar to the video clip you just watched. We need a script for the story, so I asked ChatGPT to write 10 stories for me for children from 6 years old. After that, ChatGPT suggested 10 stories for me. I will choose story number 6 and ask ChatGPT to write the complete story 6 for me. And ChatGPT has written the complete content of the story for me. Next, I went to a website called Artflow.ai. I will leave the website link below in the description section. If you don't have an account yet, you just need to sign up with your email and password, or you can sign up using your Google account. After completing the account registration, we start creating images for our story by clicking on the Image Studio section, then selecting New Image. Because we're choosing images for YouTube, we select the aspect ratio of 3:2 frame. Next, we return to ChatGPT to copy the content of the story, and then go back to Artflow.ai to start creating images. We need some time for the website to generate 4 images based on the text content of the story. We continue to return to ChatGPT to copy the remaining content to generate the next set of images. Keep repeating this process to create all the images for the story. After you have created all the images for the story, we start creating a video for the story by clicking on the Video Studio section and selecting New Video. Because it's the free version, we only have 100 credits per month and a maximum of 2 minutes for each video. We begin creating the video by selecting the images we just created earlier. After selecting the images, we go back to ChatGPT to copy the content of the story, and you choose the narration voice for the story.
Hi there. If you like what you hear, you can use my voice to create animated stories on Artflow.
Hi there. If you like what you hear, you can use my voice to create animated stories on Artflow.
Hi there. If you like what you hear, you can use my voice to create animated stories on Artflow.
We can choose various effects for each scene of the video. Similarly, we continue to choose images for the next scene of the story. After finishing the video, we go to the Export section and select a title for the video, then choose to export the video. It takes a bit of time for the system to export the video for us.
Sammy was known by all the garden creatures for his warm smile and friendly nature. He had a beautiful shell that he was very proud of.
After the video export is complete, we go to the Download section. You can choose to download the video with subtitles or without subtitles. After downloading, let's watch the video we just created.
In a cozy corner of the garden lived Sammy, a tiny snail with a big heart. Sammy was known by all the garden creatures for his warm smile and friendly nature.
Because we are using the free version, the videos we create will have the manufacturer's logo, so they won't look very beautiful and professional. Don't worry about that. I will guide you to remove the manufacturer's logo right away, and it's really simple to do. First, we go to a website called hitpaw.com, I will leave the link to the website in the description section. Afterwards, we click on the Desktop Products section and select the HitPaw Watermark Remover option. Next, you select the Try It Free section as shown on the screen and click on it to download the application. After downloading the application to your computer, you open the application and start installing it. After the installation is complete, we open the application and select the option to load the animation video file that we have just created. Next, you choose the areas you want to erase, and then click on the Export section, and that's it. Let's take a look at the final result.
In a cozy corner of the garden lived Sammy, a tiny snail with a big heart. Sammy was known by all the garden creatures for his warm smile and friendly nature. He had a beautiful shell that he was very proud of. It was shiny and colourful, with swirls of pink, blue and green. One sunny morning, As Sammy was slowly making his way across a big leaf, he heard a loud crack. He looked down and saw that his shell had a tiny crack in it. Sammy felt sad. His shell had protected him and kept him safe.
Just now, I provided a detailed guide for you to create incredibly simple 3D animation videos. You can use these videos to tell stories to your children, or you can use them to develop content and start earning money on YouTube. If you find the video interesting, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to follow the latest videos whenever I release a new one.